I'm up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and I got a 1970 big block 454 Monte Carlo with AC. Very cool car. Runs and drives awesome, and I'm about to take you down the road and let you check that out. Let's go for a ride. It's time to roll out again in a 1970 Monte Carlo. This has got a big block 454, cold AC, which we will be using because I'm burning up right now. There we go. It's already starting to cool off. What I'm going to do is drive down the road, point out any kind of flaws that I can find. This car so far, I love. I drove it on the interstate back from Bellevue, which is a good hour drive from here. And let's see, we got the radio works. Got our oil pressure gauge. It's up to 50 right now. It's working. Our RPM, it's coming up. We'll go ahead and check the speedometer as we're riding down the road. Looks like our temperature gauge is working too. It's right at 190. And the gas gauge does work on this one. It's got a nice Flowmasters sound. Not too loud. A lot of power. It's got a highway gear so you can run 70, 75. Speedometer's coming up. So we're running 55 now. We're going to slow down a little bit. It's nice having that cold AC in this old car, that's for sure. Like I said, the gas gauge works, so there's no need for us to stop. This car has a ton of power throughout all the gears. It's not built or anything like that. It's on the stock side. See if the horn works. Nope. Check the wipers out. Wipers are working. There's a horn button under the dash. So it does work. Steering's nice and tight on this car. It's not pulling left or right. We're going straight down the road. It's very smooth feeling too. brakes are awesome. This car is well built and mechanically sound, that's for sure. We're still at 60 pounds of oil pressure. It fluctuates between 40 and 60. Looks like our blinker's working on the dash. Turn signals. Working over there. We got a big bump in the road up here. We're gonna hit it, kind of test the suspension out. It's right here. Nice and smooth. Try our brakes again. Car's very peppy. One thing I really like about it. The power's there anytime you want it. Kickdown's hooked up as well. Alright guys, this is going to conclude my test drive video. If you have any other questions, give us a call, 615-822-4444. Also, at the end of this video, I'm going to go ahead and link a walk-around description video of this car, point out any kind of flaws on the outside that I see. If you have any other questions, check out my website, weMainbsite.com. It'll probably answer all of them. I got 100 detailed pictures of this car, inside out and underneath, and every car on the lot. I appreciate y'all watching. Thanks again, guys.